Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to stream Steam games to another computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the main configuration window where you can adjust various features of your Steam client. Once the Settings window opens, look at the left sidebar. You'll notice several categories listed there. Click on Remote Play. This section is specifically designed to enable game streaming between devices, allowing you to play games installed on one computer from another device on the same network. It's a powerful feature that gives you flexibility in how and where you enjoy your games. Now, within the Remote Play section, you'll see an option called Enable Remote Play. Make sure this toggle is turned on. Activating this setting is crucial because it allows your computer to act as a host, broadcasting the game to other devices. Without this enabled, the streaming functionality simply won't work. After you've enabled Remote Play, go ahead and close the settings window. Before you move on to the second computer, there are a couple of important things to keep in mind. Make sure the game you want to stream is actually installed on this PC. Also, keep this computer powered on and ensure it doesn't go into sleep mode during your streaming session. If the host PC goes to sleep, the connection will be lost and you won't be able to stream. Now, switch over to your second PC. Open the Steam app there and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the upper left corner again and click on Library. This will display all the games available in your Steam account, including those installed on other computers where Remote Play is enabled. Browse through your library and click on the game you want to play that's installed on the host PC. Here's where you'll notice something different. Instead of seeing the usual play button, you should see an option that says Stream or Play. Stream. Click on this button to initiate the streaming session. The game will now launch on your host PC and stream the video and audio to your current device, while your inputs are sent back to the host computer in real time. And that's it. You've successfully set up game streaming between two computers using Steam's Remote Play feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.